attention, everyone. This is Sachi Hertz. I'm here to introduce Divaneering's new theme song. And I want y'all to know STEM is for everyone.
The whole purpose of our organization is to build the confidence and the curiosity that's required to become a Divaneer. We're just going to spend some time with you all and love up on you all and inspire you all to become innovators, okay?
It is a level of intelligence inside of each and every one of you that nobody else has.
We want you to really understand the value of yourselves. We want you to know that you all have crowns on your head.
I want you all to tell me a word that when you think about yourself, that is what you think about. So, I am is the first two words that we're going to say in the beginning of our affirmation. Can we say that together on 3?
Yeah, that is it, honey. If you screw off your eraser, that's your applicator. Okay.
I'm a Divaneer. I'm a Divaneer. I'm a Divaneer. I can't hear y'all. Dummy.
Move into color your smile, okay? So in front of you, everyone should have a lab kit. Do y'all like my lab kits? Y'all can be honest.